Third science, second lesson, safety and home. Second lesson, safety and home. Already we discussed Nana, be safe on the classroom. Going to learn be safe in the classroom. Already we learned. Today we are going to learn subtopic be safe on the playground. Be safe on the playground. How to be safe on the playground we learn today. Okay. Be safe on the playground. First point, learn and follow the rules. Follow the rules of whichever game you play. ఎవరితో ఆడినా కూడా anybody you can play, we can follow the rules. Learn and follow the rules of whichever game you play. Whenever anybody you can play the game, follow the rules and learn the rules. Second one, do not hit others. Do not hit others with bat or ball. With a bat or a ball. Don't hit anyone, don't hurt Nana. Next, anything which can cause injury. Which can cause injury. Not hit others with a bat or ball. Anything which can cause injury. Part 1. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn at the swing or seesaw. At the swing or seesaw. In everywhere, in fact, everywhere. Okay. Wait for your turn at the swing or seesaw. Not only game, anywhere, everywhere we can wait your turn. Next, fourth one. Do not play rough games. Do not play rough games. Rough games. Which always you follow these rules, we can safe and your friend also safe. You all members, you follow these rules in playground, you and your friend be safe. First point, learn and follow the rules of whichever game you play. You play. Everyone and any member you can play the game, you follow these rules. Okay. Next, do not hit others with a bat, a ball, anything which can cause injury. Next, wait for your turn at the swing or seesaw game, or in fact everywhere we can wait your turn. Next, do not play rough games. Don't play rough games in playground. You can follow these rules in your playground. You and your friend safe. Okay, it is be safe on the playground. Next topic, be safe on the road. Be safe on the road. Be safe on the road. We can walk only footpath. Walk on the, it is very important point, Nana. We walk on the footpath. We walk on the footpath. What is the meaning of footpath, Nana? The footpath meaning are the safe side of the road. We can walk the safe side of the road. Safe side of the road. We walk on the footpath. Footpath meaning the safe side of the road. Second point, cross the road. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. At the zebra crossing. Cross the road at the zebra crossing. Before crossing, you can see, before crossing, you can see first right side and next and then once again I said, Nana, cross the road at the zebra crossing, and before crossing, right, we can see the right side and then cross, and after we can turn left, we can see left side, and again you can see right side. First we can see the right side and then see left side, and then see left side, and again see right side, again see right side. You can cross the road. Always you cross the road at the zebra crossing. Before crossing, you can see first right side and then left side, and again you can see right side. Okay. Next, and cross the road when it is clear the traffic. Clear the traffic and stop the traffic signals. You can only cross the road here. Traffic signals. Okay. Clear the traffic and stop the traffic signals. We can cross the road. Next point. When riding bicycle, keep your left before turning. Nana, when you riding the bicycle, keep your left hand before turning. Turning ekkadaithe vastundo meeku turn ayye daggara you can show me your left hand. Okay. Next point, do not get into or get off a moving bus. Do not get into or get off moving bus. మనం బస్ ఎక్కే మూవ్ అవుతున్న బస్ని ఎక్కకూడదు, మూవ్ అవుతున్న బస్ని డైరెక్ట్గా దిగకూడదు. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్, do not put your hand or head or arms out of a moving bus. See children, here these points are very important. Be safe on the road. First point, we walk on the, be safe on the road. First point, we walk on the footpath. Meaning of footpath, the safe side of the road. Next point, cross the road at the zebra crossing. Whenever eppudaina ekkadaina cross the road, zebra crossing. Okay. Next, before crossing, we can see right side and then left side, and again you can see right side. And clear the traffic signals and traffic, we can cross the road. Next, when riding bicycle, keep your before turning your left hand before showing. Next, do not get into or get off a moving bus. A moving bus. Okay. Next, do not put your hand or head or arms out of a moving bus. కదులుతున్న వెళ్తున్న బస్సులో నుంచి హ్యాండ్స్ కానీ హెడ్ కానీ బయట పెట్టకరాదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ a dangerous. Okay, these are the main points of the be safe on the road. Once I can see children here, always we walk on the footpath. Signal before turning, you keep your left hand like this. Next, be careful in a moving bus. Don't put your hand or head in outside of the bus. Next, be safe on the playground. Don't hit anyone. Follow the rules of the game and wait for your turn. Seesaw game or anywhere we can wait your turn. Okay, it is a safe on the playground and safe on the road. Okay.